This video tutorial I will explain parallel prefix method of arrays class which accept int array and in binary operator. Here I have defined a class arrays demo. Here I have defined the int array. Then I have defined in binary operator object. Then I am calling parallel prefix method of arrays class and passing int array and in binary operator object. What this method will do is, it will modify each element value of int array based on in binary operator associative function. Here you can see the modified int array content. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.